Today we're making homemade nuggets. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast or tenders cut into nugget-sized pieces. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 2 eggs. 1 cup panko breadcrumbs. Oil for frying. Instructions. Optional dipping sauces like honey mustard barbecue sauce ranch dressing. In a shallow dish mix. Flour, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. Salt, black pepper and cayenne pepper if using. In a separate dish, beat eggs. In a third dish, place panko breadcrumbs. Dip each chicken piece in flour mixture. Then eggs and finally panko breadcrumbs coating evenly. Oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Fry chicken nuggets for 5 to 7 minutes. On each side or until golden brown and cooked through. Serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce. Baked version. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place coated chicken nuggets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle with olive oil and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until cooked through. Tips: use fresh breadcrumbs for crunchier nuggets. Don't overcrowd the skillet or baking sheet. For extra crispy coating, chill coated nuggets in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before frying or baking. Experiment with different seasonings like dried herbs or grated cheese. Nutritional information. Per serving 4 to 6 nuggets. Calories 250 to 375. Protein 25 to 30 g. Fat 10 to 15 g. Saturated fat 2 to 3 g. Cholesterol 60 to 80 milligrams. Sodium 250 to 350 milligrams. Enjoy your homemade chicken nuggets.